Tonight, I'll be going to bed in Argentina and wake up in Chile the next day. This is my current state of life. I graduated with Diploma Kemahiran Malaysia Patisserie from Riam Institute of Technology, RIAMTEC MIRI in the year 2018. And currently I'm being employed as a baker on Viking cruise. And I got to utilize my skills while exploring different parts of the world. We travel wherever the ship goes. Normally, we have to sail from one country to another. Where we fall asleep by the sound of the ocean and wake up entirely in a different country. Mr. Alex, my lecturer, stated, "Don't think that bakers are only confined to one kitchen. Instead, you can actually get a chance to travel to new places, exposed to new cuisines, and encounter new people." Hence, Mr. Alex, I am now making bread while mesmerizing by the alluring scenery across the world.